Okay, to do your fire star bow, I've got a 2.5 inch width ribbon, and this roll is 10 yards. I've used some of it, but I still think I have enough on here to use. For this bow, I want it to be smaller because it's going to go on a wreath. So I'm going to take my roll. I always let it roll with the ribbon coming in my direction, like this. Okay? Alrighty. Then, make my hoop or my loop like so. So I hold it in the center like this. Then I take it and twist it. Bringing the right sides together. Catching it in the back, the bottom, twist, right sides together again. And I'll keep doing this process until I create the fan effect that I want. When making your hoops or your loops, I don't know why I want to say hoops. When making your loops, you're gonna make sure that they're all the same length. You don't want one longer than the other. It'll throw your bow off. All right, now that you've pulled your bow out, I do have a video, and I'll put the link in the description on how to make a bow. Just slow it down a little bit and show you in detail how to do it. But you follow that, which is the basic bow. And then we're gonna take our loops, bring it together, and we'll fold it in half. Fold it in half, like that. And take our scissors, a sharp pair of scissors, and from the fold, we're gonna go up at an angle to the point, cutting that connection. And this, I didn't do it well enough. There we go, cutting the connection. So we're gonna do this all the way around the bow. Okay, we've cut all our tips, made our points, and fluffed out our bow. You do the same thing with this bow as you do with the other ones. You just pull your ribbon around until it's the way you want it. And there's our fire star bow. You can make 2 of these and put them on your tree. I would make them a little fuller. I would probably use maybe 10 yards per bow. But you can make 2 and put them on your trees. And I'll show you a picture of the ones I made this year for my trees. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I do appreciate you following Ideally Simple Decor. Anyone that's new to the channel, please like the video if you like it, and subscribe and hit the notification bell.